The villagers, with their nimble fingers and innovative minds, are turning what was once considered waste into works of art and utility. They are the unsung heroes, the artisans who see potential where others see only discard. Their creativity knows no bounds, and their resourcefulness is a testament to human ingenuity. It is driven not by greed, but by necessity. In these remote areas, resources are scarce, and every piece of material is precious. The community comes together, united by a common goal, to make the most of what they have. This collective effort is not just about survival, it is about thriving in harmony with their environment. The spirit of cooperation and mutual support is palpable, as everyone plays a part in this transformative journey. This is the story of Pakistan's iron, reborn from scrap into strength. The blacksmiths and metalworkers breathe new life into discarded pieces, forging them into tools, machinery, and even art. Each hammer strike, each spark of the forge, is a step towards a brighter future. The transformation is not just physical, it is symbolic of the resilience and determination of these communities. Across the villages, a familiar sight greets you: mountains of discarded metal. These piles, which might seem like heaps of junk to the untrained eye, are actually the raw materials for a new beginning. They stand as a testament to the villagers' commitment to sustainability and innovation. Each pile tells a story of potential and promise. These are not piles of waste, but rather treasure troves of opportunity. The workers meticulously sort through the scraps, their experienced eyes identifying pieces that can be repurposed. Every bolt, every shard of metal is seen as a valuable resource. This meticulous process ensures that nothing goes to waste and everything finds a new purpose. Each piece of scrap, from rusty car parts to discarded tools, holds the potential for a new life. The villagers' hands, skilled and patient, transform these remnants into something useful and beautiful. It is a cycle of renewal, where the old is made new again, and the discarded is given a second chance. This process is not just about recycling, it is about reimagining and reinventing. This is the very foundation of a sustainable future, where nothing is wasted and everything is valued. The recycling facilities in these villages are more than just places of work, they are hubs of innovation and community. Here, the principles of sustainability are put into practice every day. The villagers' efforts are paving the way for a future where resources are used wisely, and the environment is respected. This is the story of a mountain of metal, transformed by the hands and hearts of a resilient people. The journey begins with the collectors, the unsung heroes of this story. These individuals, often overlooked and underappreciated, play a crucial role in the recycling ecosystem. They are the first link in a long chain that transforms discarded metal into valuable resources. They scour the villages and towns, gathering every discarded piece of iron. From the early hours of the morning until the sun sets, they are on the move, driven by the hope of finding enough metal to make their efforts worthwhile. Their work is physically demanding, requiring strength, endurance, and a keen eye for valuable materials. They are driven by the promise of income and the satisfaction of giving these forgotten materials a new purpose. The camaraderie among the collectors is palpable. They often work in groups, sharing tips and helping each other load heavy pieces onto their carts. This sense of community is a vital part of their daily lives, providing support and encouragement in a challenging job. This is more than just scrap, says Rahim, a seasoned collector with calloused hands and a twinkle in his eye. For him and many others, this work is a lifeline. It's a way to provide for their families and ensure a better future for their children. Rahim's pride in his work is evident, and his dedication is unwavering. This is how we feed our families and build our future. The income from selling scrap metal, though modest, is essential for their survival. It pays for food, education and healthcare, making a significant difference in their quality of life. The collectors' families often wait eagerly for their return, knowing that each piece of metal collected brings them one step closer to a better life. His words echo the sentiments of countless others who depend on this trade. The sense of purpose and fulfillment they derive from their work is profound. They are not just collecting scrap, they are reclaiming value from what others have discarded, turning waste into opportunity. This transformation is at the heart of their mission and gives their work a deeper meaning. Their efforts form the backbone of this industry, ensuring a steady supply of raw material. Without the tireless work of these collectors, the recycling process would come to a halt. They are the unsung heroes who make it all possible, bridging the gap between waste and resource, and their contributions are invaluable. The collected scrap metal is brought to the heart of the operation, the furnaces. These brick and clay ovens, fueled by wood or coal, transform the discarded metal into a glowing molten stream. It is a mesmerizing, almost magical sight, as if the very essence of the old metal is being purified by fire. The air crackles with heat, and the clang of metal on metal. The workers, their faces illuminated by the furnace's glow, move with practiced ease. This is more than just manual labor. It is an art form passed down through generations. Once the iron is molten, it is ready to be given a new form. One of the most common methods is casting. Here, skilled artisans create intricate molds from sand, carefully shaping them to produce a variety of products. The molten iron, glowing like liquid fire, is poured into these molds. As it cools and solidifies, it takes on the shape of the mold, transforming from a shapeless mass into something new and useful. This process, demanding both skill and precision, is a testament to the ingenuity of these village craftsmen. Section 5. The Hammer's Song, Forging New Beginnings. Another method employed is forging. Here, the red-hot iron is hammered and shaped by hand. The rhythmic clang of the hammer against metal is the soundtrack to this ancient craft, a melody that speaks of tradition and resilience. Each strike of the hammer molds the metal, gradually transforming it from a crude lump into a work of art. It is a testament to the strength and skill of these artisans who bend the iron to their will. Section 6. Made in Our Village, Products of Pride. The products created through this process of recycling and manufacturing are as diverse as they are essential. From sturdy cooking pots and farming tools to intricate door hinges, the range of items produced is truly impressive. Each piece is crafted with care and precision, ensuring that it meets the high standards of quality that the community is known for. These products are not just items, they are a reflection of the skill and dedication of the artisans who make them, and decorative pieces which add a touch of beauty and elegance to any home. The intricate designs and detailed craftsmanship of these decorative items showcase the artistic talents of the village artisans. Each piece tells a story of tradition, culture, and the timeless art of ironworking. These items are a testament to the resourcefulness of these communities. The ability to transform raw materials into functional and beautiful products is a skill that has been passed down through generations. It is a tradition that continues to thrive, thanks to the dedication and hard work of the artisans. We take pride in what we make, pride that comes from knowing that their work is valued and appreciated, both within their community and beyond. The products of pride made in this village are more than just items. They are a symbol of the community's resilience, creativity, and unwavering commitment to their craft. Each piece is a testament to the enduring spirit of the artisans and the rich cultural heritage they uphold. Section 7. Greener pastures, iron recycling, and the environment. Beyond its economic benefits, iron recycling plays a critical role in protecting the environment. It reduces the need to mine new iron ore, a process that can be environmentally damaging. It also helps to conserve valuable natural resources and reduce carbon emissions. By breathing new life into discarded metal, these communities are not only sustaining their livelihoods, but also contributing to a healthier planet. It is a powerful reminder that sustainability starts at the grassroots level. Section 8. Growing Together, Economic Empowerment. The iron recycling and manufacturing industry is a lifeline for countless families in rural Pakistan. It provides employment opportunities, empowers women, and helps to alleviate poverty. The income generated from this industry helps to improve living standards and provide for basic necessities. This work has given us a chance to stand on our own 2 feet, says Fatima, who works alongside her husband in their small workshop. It has given us hope for a brighter future. Their story is a testament to the transformative power of sustainable economic opportunities. Section 9. A future forged in iron. As the sun sets over another day in rural Pakistan, the glow of the furnaces continues to illuminate the night sky. It is a beacon of hope, a testament to the enduring spirit of these communities. The story of Pakistan's Iron Revolution is a powerful reminder that even in the face of adversity, innovation and resourcefulness can pave the way for a brighter future. It is a future forged in iron, built on the strength, skill, and determination of countless individuals working together to create a more sustainable and prosperous tomorrow.